Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Gardening Zen. This is an update to what happened to my attempt to propagate Jim's Pride Daphne. As you know, Daphnes are really very finicky plants and they're really hard to propagate. And as you can see from this little thing here, it didn't take. It didn't do very well. I planted a couple of them in a pot and I uploaded a video before so that I could share with you what would happen if I was successful, and as you can see was not, unfortunately. However, in the previous video you can see what I did wrong so that you, in case you try it, you don't do it. So this is the mistake I made. I should have used this product, Perlite. This would have provided better drainage. I did try something different. I mixed it with sand, but not play sand, the one that's coarse, the one that people use for mixing cement. So I used that, but instead I should have used this product, and then I also should have used a potting mix soil, because the two of them would blend together and it provide better drainage for the plant. So that's one of the things that I should have done. The other one is I did cover it, and I did for about 2 to 3 weeks, and since it wasn't doing very well, that's when I decided to bring it out here and put it in this pot and this container. But I'm going to show you what the actual plant looks like. So this is Jim's Pride. It's really pretty. I've had this for about, let's see, I think like 4 years, and it was like this big when I first got it, and in 4 years this is all that's grown, which is not much, but just like Daphne's, it is really fragrant. The reason why I picked this one too is because it blooms throughout the whole summer. So it starts blooming in March and it continues blooming until the weather changes, which can be here in where I live. That can happen where it starts getting cooler and the leaves then just kind of get funny looking, like September or early October. So as you can see, there's little flower buds coming, and so this will be the second time, a second wave of bloom for Jim's Pride. The other reason why I picked this one too, and I was really hoping that I would have better luck propagating it, is because it survives winter, and it doesn't get eaten by the earwigs, which is a big problem for me. But like you see this right here, this would be a good one for me to be able to try and propagate it, but I don't want to do that. Shouldn't do it when there's little flower buds forming. It wouldn't really take. So this is what the Jim's Pride looks like. It is a really vivid green, really pretty. It supposedly grows to about 3 feet high, but like I said, I've had it for 4 years and it is really a slow grower. Okay. Growing Daphne Jim's Pride totally bombed. Once again, thanks for watching and for joining me and for sharing my garden with me. I hope you subscribe and also share my videos and invite your friends. All right. Thanks for watching Gardening Zen.